Let's go! Baby bingo!
Hello kids, are you ready to learn some fun opposite words? Let's discover words that mean the exact opposite of each other.
Hooray!
This is an elephant. It's big. This is a mouse. It's small. Elephant is big and mouse is small. Big and small. This is a big balloon. Big. This is a small balloon. Small. A big balloon and a small balloon. The opposite of big is small. This is a big truck. Big. This is a small car. Small. A big truck and a small car. Opposite of big is small. Let's play a game now. Can you tell me whale is big or small? Yes, it's big. Can you tell me fish is big or small? It's small. Good. Whale is big and fish is small. Soup is hot. Hot soup. Ice cream is cold. Cold ice cream. Soup is hot and ice cream is cold. Opposite of hot is cold. Fire is hot. Hot. Ice is cold. Cold. Hot fire and cold ice. Opposite of hot is cold. Hot. Summer is hot. Winter is cold. Cold. Hot summer and cold winter. Hot and cold. Let's play a game now. Can you tell me tea is hot or cold? It's hot. Can you tell me juice is hot or cold? It's cold. Good. Tea is hot and juice is cold.
Hooray!
Happy. These kids are happy. They are playing. Oh, he's sad. The boy is sad. Happy and sad. Opposite of happy is sad. This dog is happy. Happy dog. He's a sad dog. The dog is sad. Happy dog and sad dog. Opposite of happy is sad. Happy. This is happy face. This is a sad face. Sad face. Happy face and sad face. Opposite of happy is sad. Let's play a game now. Is this boy happy or sad? Yes, happy. Is this boy happy or sad? Sad. Good. Boy flying kite is happy. Another one is sad.
Hooray!
The bird is flying up. Up. The mosquito fell down. Down. Bird is flying up. Mosquito fell down. Up, down. Monkey is climbing up. Up. Monkey fell down. Down. Up and down. Opposite of up is down. Boy is jumping up. Up. Boy is sitting down. Down. Boy is jumping up and boy is sitting down. Up and down. Let's play a game now. The cat is jumping up or down? Yes, up. The cat fell up or down? Yes, down. The cat is jumping up and the cat fell down.
Hooray!
The door is open. Open. This door is close. Close. The open door and closed door. Opposite of open is close. This is an open book. Open. This is a closed book. Close. Book is open and another book is close. Open, close. The box is open. Open. This box is close. Close. The opposite of open is close. Open box, close box. Let's play a game now. Is this lunchbox open or closed? Yes, open. Is this lunchbox open or closed? Yes, close. Good. Open lunchbox and close lunchbox.
Hooray!
The hands are clean. Clean. These are dirty hands. Dirty. Clean and dirty. The opposite of clean is dirty. These are clean shoes. Clean. These are dirty shoes. Dirty. Clean shoes and dirty shoes. Clean, dirty. These are clean clothes. Clean. These are dirty clothes. Dirty. Clean clothes and dirty clothes. Opposite of clean is dirty. Let's play a game now. Can you tell me, is this room clean or dirty? Yes, clean. Is this room clean or dirty? Yes, dirty. This is a clean room and a dirty room. Clean and dirty.
Hooray!
This is a rock. It's heavy. This is a leaf. It's light. Light. Heavy rock, light leaf. Heavy, light. This is a heavy watermelon. Heavy. A light strawberry. Strawberry is light. Watermelon is heavy and strawberry is light. Heavy and light. Hippopotamus is heavy. And butterfly is light. Light. Hippo is heavy and butterfly is light. Opposite of heavy is light. Let's play a game now. Can you tell me pumpkin is heavy or light? Heavy, yes. Can you tell me popcorns are heavy or light? Light, good. Pumpkin is big and heavy, popcorns are light.
Hooray!
This glass is full. Full. This is an empty glass. Empty. A full glass and an empty glass. Opposite of full is empty. This is full bucket. Full. This bucket is empty. Empty. This bucket is full and another bucket is empty. Full, empty. This box is full. Full. This box is empty. Empty. A full box and an empty box. The opposite of full is empty. Let's play a game now. Can you tell me, is this plate full or empty? Yes, it's full. Can you tell me, is this plate full or empty? Yes, it's empty. A full plate and an empty plate. Full, empty.
Hooray!
Great job, kids. Keep practicing opposite words and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fun learning videos.